This year, Akio Toyoda announced his decision to step down as CEO after leading the automaker founded by his grandfather for 14 years. The chosen successor to be the next CEO of Toyota is Koji Soto. This step may change Toyota's stance on electrification as we know it. But what will be the company's attitude towards electric vehicles during this transition? What should we expect from the new CEO? Join us as we explore these questions and how the future CEO of Toyota can transform the company forever. Before we dive into details, it's important to know a little about the future CEO, Koji Soto. 2 weeks before the surprising announcement, Soto made an appearance at a car exhibition near Tokyo. He was seen having fun and conversing with the current president and former CEO of the company, Akio Toyoda, introducing him as an avid owner of the Toyota AE86 model, a rare Toyota sports car from the 80s that has garnered many admirers. During the event, Soto declared, "I love manufacturing cars. That's why I want to be a president who continues to build cars that demonstrate what Toyota should be through its vehicles." Soto holds a degree in mechanical engineering from Waseda University, class of 1992, and has dedicated 3 decades to building Toyota cars, including the Prius, the company's flagship hybrid vehicle, and a hydrogen-powered Corolla race car. He served as the chief engineer before taking over the presidency of the luxury brand Lexus and recently held the position of CEO at Toyota. Under Soto's leadership, Lexus has transformed into one of the most coveted luxury car brands worldwide. His emphasis on quality and skill has made Lexus renowned for its reliability. Soto also led the development of new technologies and features such as the Lexus Safety System Plus and the Vehicle Safety System. He is recognized for transforming Lexus into a significant player in the luxury vehicle market. With a dedicated focus on customer service, high-quality engineering, and environmental management, Soto has positioned Lexus as one of the most successful luxury vehicle brands globally. In his position as CEO of Lexus, Soto has proven to be a visionary leader, essential for the advancement of the company. In addition to his achievements at Lexus, Koji Soto is a fervent advocate for environmental sustainability. He has encouraged the company to design vehicles with greater fuel efficiency and lower emissions, in line with his commitment to reducing the brand's carbon footprint. Soto played a crucial role in driving the development of autonomous driving technologies, which he believes are crucial for the future of the automotive industry. Koji Soto is a seasoned engineer who dedicated himself to understanding Toyota's philosophy, techniques, and methods. The company cited Soto's ability to work diligently in the automotive industry and master Toyota's techniques and philosophy as the main reason for his appointment. A colleague who has known Soto since the early days states that the engineer has always shown determination and maintained a dynamic and pragmatic personality. He lives by the principle that nothing innovative can be achieved unless all efforts are taken to the extreme. Taking command of the largest automaker and the most valuable company in Japan, Koji Soto has the great task of guiding Toyota through a complete transformation, from a car manufacturer to a mobility company. The well-established automaker needs to quickly adapt to new automotive trends driven by technical progress in new and connected, autonomous, shared, and electric business areas. One of the main challenges will be responding to the expansion of the electric vehicle market, which is likely to be the next frontier in the industry's quest to reduce CO2 emissions from transportation. Both domestically and internationally, competitors such as Honda Motors and General Motors are focusing on electric vehicles. Simultaneously, this trend has encouraged younger companies like Tesla and BYD to expand their presence in the competition. However, Akio Toyoda was known for his vision of a multifaceted solution to the climate challenge, emphasizing not only electric vehicles but also hybrids and hydrogen-powered ones, as we have discussed on this channel regarding his stance and the new engine he created, even when he was against electric vehicles. When he announced his departure, speculations began to arise, mainly due to something he said: "Due to my intense passion for cars, I am an old-fashioned person when it comes to digitization, electric vehicles, and connected cars. I cannot go beyond who I am, and that is my limitation." He clarified that he needed to step back to allow the new generation to start the new chapter of the future of mobility, acknowledging that new employees will have the power to change the course of the company. Many interpreted this as an indication that the company may be moving to prioritize electric vehicles, where the younger CEO may think differently and go fully electric, like other automakers. However, it seems that Soto may be following the same principle. In his own words, he said, "Going electric is not the only way to achieve this goal. It is really necessary to adopt a 360-degree approach to carbon neutrality. Therefore, it is safe to say that Toyota will not change its mind about electrification, just like Akio Toyoda and Soto." Toyota's chief scientist, Gil Prati, also stated in a presentation at the World Economic Forum in Davos, Switzerland, that the electric vehicle strategy unveiled by many automakers will fall short of achieving emission reduction targets. Prati's reasoning is mainly based on the fact that lithium supplies for batteries are limited, which forces a choice between distributing the available lithium among many smaller hybrid battery packs or concentrating them in larger packs for electric vehicles. To illustrate this, he proposed a model with a fleet of 100 internal combustion engine vehicles that emit an average of 250 grams of CO2 per kilometer traveled and contain enough lithium to produce 100 kilowatt-hours of battery capacity. If the lithium were used only for a 100 kilowatt-hour battery pack, this fleet of 100 vehicles would still consist of 99 internal combustion engine vehicles and only one electric vehicle, resulting in average emissions of 248.5 grams per kilometer. In Prati's presentation, he argues that using the same amount of lithium to make 1.1 kilowatt-hour batteries would result in the production of 90 hybrid vehicles and a further overall reduction in emissions to 205 grams per kilometer. This is consistent with Toyota's previous arguments emphasizing the importance of incorporating hybrid propulsion systems with fuel cells and even hydrogen combustion engines in a comprehensive approach to emissions reduction, rather than relying solely on electric vehicles. Prati notes that while a battery factory can be built in 2 to 3 years, creating a new lithium mine can take up to 15 years. He has also previously suggested that experimenting with a variety of emission reduction strategies would be the most practical action, adding that technological predictions are notoriously uncertain. He cited the recent enthusiasm surrounding autonomous vehicles as an example, pointing out that Toyota has adopted a similar strategy in this case by exploring driver assistance and autonomous driving concepts instead of focusing solely on fully autonomous cars. Despite Toyota's investment in electric vehicles, the former CEO stated that he believes the United States will fall short of its goal of 50% EV sales by 2023 and that 80% of Toyota vehicles will still have exhausts by then. This resistance from Toyota to California and other states that have been demanding more electric vehicles in recent years has also tarnished the company's reputation among environmental advocates. The launch of electric vehicles by Toyota has also been inconsistent. According to reports, the automaker suspended parts of its EV research at some point in 2022 as part of a comprehensive reassessment. However, recently Toyota is said to have authorized the development of an electric vehicle platform by the end of this decade. While this may be somewhat related to the leadership change, Toyota has yet to provide an update on how any of these reports or a change in leadership would affect its goals. But given the discussions that have recently resurfaced, this may happen soon. We know that Soto will bring youth and innovation to Toyota, but from this point on, we cannot say for certain if he will be fully in favor of the full development of electric vehicles, that is, if he will continue the former CEO's project or be completely against it. Do you want to find out for yourself? Then stay with me here on Formula Turbo, give it a like, subscribe to the channel and watch the video I'm showing on your screen right now, as I talk about the new engine created based on an extremely abundant fuel in the world that could be our salvation. And make sure to activate the notifications because I post new videos every day. See you in the next one.